Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I don't feel good, so I don't know if it's because we're in like fake spring 2.0 here in Kentucky, but my allergies are a hot mother trucking mess, and I honestly didn't plan on filming today. But then my Boxycharm by Ipsy box came in, my Chic Beauty box, my ice cream. So we're gonna be filming today, so you're gonna see this and like a lot of videos. So you get what you get and you don't throw a fit. We are unboxing our March Boxycharm by Ipsy box. They did send this over in PR. So thank you, Ginormous Bunches, for thinking of your girl. I definitely appreciate it. It's actually, you remember back in the day where I'd be like, oh, it feels really heavy. And it's fine. You're going to hear my child in the background. You know, mom life, and it is what it is. The tracking, I could probably try and figure it out, but we're not doing FBI CSI kind of work here, okay? I'm just telling you it's heavy. So, jumping right in, do we have foam? We do, which I like. Now, the Boxycharm by Ipsy box is a monthly subscription, and if you are interested in signing up, I do have an affiliate link if you're interested in signing up, so thank you if you do use it. Greatly appreciate it. Now, with this particular subscription, you get to choose 3 of the 5 items. Now that I'm thinking about it, they're coming out with something I thought for March. Anyways, we do have a little card in here. Main character energy. Eat, glam, love. Alright, let's just get in. I want to see what's in here. Oh, okay. What is this? Yay. Okay, so you guys know I love receiving hair products. I am low-key kind of obsessed with doing skin and hair. So, I know, which is really funny because, what was it? 6 months ago, I was like, hey, I want more makeup. I don't know. Other than I'm a Gemini with ADHD. So this is the Verb Fullness Plus Light Hold Weightless Texture Volume Dry Texture Spray. It's a lot going on here. And before you add it, here's what I have been doing with these kind of texture sprays. I'm funny, I don't like to have hairspray in my hair or anything. I like to keep it nice and soft and all of that. I do like to do is that right before I blow dry my hair, I like to just lift the root and spray some texture spray right in there. And it does help to kind of give you that nice little lift. I've been swearing by using that. Now, I've never used the Verb, particularly this product, but the other products I have tried by them, I actually really like them. We did get a makeup product in here by Laura Geller. It's the Laura's Essential Candy Craving 12 Multi-Finish Eyeshadows, 1 highlighter, and 1 blush. Now, I'm not 100% what the picks are, but I'm trying to get this video up to you guys early. I'm filming this on the 28th, the day I received it, so your choice picks do open on March 1st. So right off the bat, really pretty packaging. Oh, here's the back of it. Ooh, that looks pretty. Okay, let's open it up. Funny enough, I just tried, and somebody said that's been out for 2 years. You're just now trying it? Yes. The Laura Geller, it's like a powder foundation. I just did a short on it. It's very much new to me. I'm one that, well, like today, not wearing foundation, but if I do wear foundation, it's a liquid or a cream. Powders scare me because in my head, it's like gonna show all my dry patches. The Laura Geller foundation was wonderful. So the packaging is in your standard type of cardboard packaging, and then we have 0 broken shadows. Yay! We do have a little slit of a mirror in here, which is nice. It's honestly, I think per the season coming into spring, this is a great color story. And you guys know me, I'm very much a neutral queen. So for me, I like the color story. I really, honestly, I like this like really light purple shade called Bubblegum. It's like a purpley pink. It's really soft. Let's do the shimmer. Be nice if it like smelled like bubblegum. The shimmer shade is called Bonbon. So they're really light hits of color. So just those swatches. I mean, it looks nice. It's just, I think it's just going to be like a very nice basic daytime kind of palette, just for a light wash of color. As far as the blush, it's a really pretty kind of apricot peachy shade. So that's pretty, very, very light. I don't feel like it's over the top. I think this is going to be great for someone, especially that is just getting into makeup. I think you'll probably like that, especially if you get a little nervous over bold colors. All right, moving on. What is this? Oh, we got the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 40. So, I've honestly, this is kind of probably embarrassing. I've never tried this brand before. I've gotten a couple samples, but I've never tried it. And I know a lot of people really like it. So is this the one Unseen? Okay, so this is probably not the one that has like that shimmer glow in there. Honestly, I've never tried it before, but a lot of people seem to love it. I mean, at least I have it. It is water and sweat resistant up to 40 minutes. So I'll definitely try it out. I am very particular about my sunscreens because of my dry skin. I don't like to feel my sunscreen. So currently on my skin, I have the Color Science Flex. I love that sunscreen. The other one that I really like and reach for a lot in the summertime when we're down at the lake is by It Cosmetics, because that's another one that doesn't dry out my skin or anything. So if you guys have used this, let me know. Is it good if you have dry skin? Does it leave a cast? Does it, like, you know how some give that like squeaky you know, feel? I'm a texture person. I am through and through a texture person. If I feel it, if it feels heavy, if it feels drying, it's just not going to be my jam. Next in here, we've got something wrapped up. What is this? Dermalective's Eye Lifting Collagen Solution. It's like they know they sent PR to an older woman. I mean, for real though. Alright, so I've not tried this, but I told you guys last month, I am not purchasing or like the repurchasing of new skincare over and over. I'm literally using anything that's sent to me, anything that I had in inventory, stock, whatever you want to call it. So this will get added right to it. And I have to say, this girl gets really stuck in her ways with her products. But since I've kind of gone outside the comfort zone and started trying the things that I had, I found some good stuff. Like Versed, that's great. And it's affordable. And it's great on my dry skin. So if you're looking for affordable skincare, maybe check out Versed. I think I may have a coupon code for them. I don't know. Alright, last in here, this is hilarious. This is by Drunk Elephant. I actually used this today. I had them up on my little shelf in my bathroom. Hadn't touched them for a hot minute, but I wanted to add a little color to my skin after I put on my sunscreen. And so I grabbed these little drops. They're just little rosy drops. I don't honestly feel like they do that much. I mean, I just kind of take the rosé shot I already have and then stuck it on top, and then, so you see that sheen right there? Yeah, that's from this. So I do like them. They're called the O Blues Rosy Drops. I will tell you all, I keep hearing they're very much overrated ever since, I think it's called MCO Beauty has come out with a lot of similar products. I think MCO Beauty has actually come out with these kind of drops too. I don't know for sure, to be 100 with you guys. I haven't tried it, but I kind of want to try it. But to get this in the box, I mean, honestly, I'm pretty sure these are going to cost you around what the cost of this subscription is. So you done made your money on this. I don't know the prices. That is one thing I do miss about everything. I do wish that they had the prices listed on the postcards, but I will say this was a really good box for March. I feel like they came out swinging. I think that this is kind of what I've been looking for. I'm very much happy with it. I do recall I did, I think, like the February box. Can't remember January. I'm lucky to remember what I had for breakfast. But I will say, I feel like this box was very, very perfectly curated to my likes, even though I didn't pick nothing. So very happy with everything. Let me know you guys' thoughts. A good selection. Got a little skincare, got my sunscreen. I am ready for the warmth. My body is so ready for the warmth. I'm actually going to be traveling, so that's why I'm trying to make sure to knock all this out so I can get all of this edited and uploaded to y'all while I'm out of town. I can't wait to tell you guys where I am going. Stay tuned. All I can tell y'all is make sure you are following me, probably over on TikTok. Alright? Definitely make sure you give your girl a follow over on TikTok. I'm insanely active over there. I mean, you haven't seen me here. I'm very active over on my fashion channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs. Constantly uploading over there. But TikTok, yes ma'am. Alright, that is all for today's video. If you are interested in signing up, I will have the affiliate link down below. Thank you again to Ipsy for sending this over my way. I greatly appreciate it, and I do really like this box. So, yay. Is this of what we have to see for the rest of the year? Because if this is what we're going to be seeing the rest of the year, this is going to make your girl very much happy. So I'm hopping off for now. I will have information down below, and thank you guys so much for watching, for being here, for tuning in, and give me a follow. It definitely supports the channel. I'm trying to get better about my girl Jotty. In the middle of her videos will say, you know, if you want to help support the channel for free, you can like the video, you can share the video over on Facebook, you can subscribe to the channel. It definitely helps the algorithm. Everything, I just forget to do it in the middle. Alright, I'm happy off for now. Thank you guys so much for being here. Follow me over on TikTok and Instagram. Until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye! Where's that button at? New camera prop.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing